How to permanently delete Google Documents. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google. So guys, here we are. This is my Chrome browser. So first step, we need to log in with our email ID. So we need our email ID, log in with Google Chrome for deleting Google Documents. Okay, so now we need to go in Google Drive. Okay, go to the Google Drive. Here you can find your all Google documents. Okay, you can find your Google Sheet, you can find your Google Documents, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Present, Google Form, and Google Slide also you can see here. Okay, so basically this is a Google Drive storage, Google storage facility for your all Google documents. Okay, and you can also open the individual app for Google Docs or Google Sheets. So you can see this is Google Docs, this is individual app, the all document you can see here, but it is linked here from Google Drive. Basically this original file is saved in Google Drive only. Okay, so here and Google Docs, when you delete anything you can see, let me go in Google. Okay, let me go in Google Docs again. Okay, here you can see we have files, and if I delete one file from here, it is show it is moving to trash. It is not permanently deleted, it is moved to trash. So in Google Docs you not able to find trash option because we don't have, as of now there is a trash option in Google Docs. So for if you want to delete permanently this Google Docs file, we need to go in Google Docs, Google Drive. Okay, so under the trash you will find this documents, and you can delete permanently from here. This is forever deletion. Okay, so same as come to the Google Drive, you find your all your documents here, and there is a one facility you can filter out some but file type. You can filter for Google Documents. Like you can see all the Google Documents visible to you once you filter out, or you can simply type colon and documents, it will be filter out your documents only. If you want to filter out PDF, you can type the PDF. Sorry, go to the file type and keep your cursor in search bar, double click on search bar, and you can see if you want to make visible PDF, you can see all PDF has been come up here. Same as Google Sheet. If you want to see all documents, just come to the home, and from here also you can filter out some file type. This file you can also visible folder or file. So from now you can delete one by one. If I filter out documents, I can delete this like this. Go to the move the trash, I can select. If you want to select multiple, you have to just click the control, hold it, and you can select multiple documents and delete from here, or simply select any documents, just click and hold the shift key and just hit the down arrow. You can see the all document has been selected. Now can delete from here, or you can simply select any files and hit the control plus A. It will be select all documents which have visible to you, and you can delete from here. After delete, it will be go to the trash. You have to come in trash, and you can delete from here for permanent. Okay, you can do this for all documents or all folder. Okay, so that is how you can delete Google Documents permanently from Google. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.